Hey everybody, welcome back again. So today I want to talk about my G63. We've not talked much about my G63 for a while now. The last thing I did was upgrade the capacitor exhaust. So I've got a couple more things in mind in terms of doing some upgrades. But before I do, let's have a quick look at the G63 as it is in standard format. So, I mean, the car is really well tripped out already. As you can see, it's in this South Sea blue. It has the Black Pack Plus, which is all these arches, the mirrors, the roof, the wheels, all in black. Interior is in Bengal red. The other thing that's black on this is obsidian black. It's a metallic black. It's a standard Mercedes color, but it's a nice sparkly black. But I think originally, when I talked to you about this particular car, I had South Sea blue was the selection of colour, which is a really bright sky blue, like the sky. It arrived as sea blue, which is still a beautiful colour, but it's not a colour I would have chosen. Having said that, now that I've got sea blue, still love the colour. The thing is, for me, it's just completely dark, and I wanted to break it up a little bit. So the next thing I wanted to do was, apart from the exhaust tune, I really wanted to think about what else could I do to make this car stand out. Not that it doesn't already stand out. And the first thing was, should I be changing those wheels? Those are the 22-inch matte black wheels that come with the Black Pack, as you can see, with the red calipers. And then the other thing is, I didn't want to put I was thinking about a wide star kit, but given that this is already black and my bull bars are black, if I stuck a wide star kit on this, I'd have to actually take the bull bars off, or these pedestrian bars or whatever they're called, and I really like the pedestrian bars. So there's this new thing called the soft look, which is where you keep the standard width of the car, but you go and do some mods to the body, maybe a roof spoiler, change the wheels. But in my case, because I've got the night pack or the Black Pack, this is already black and the bumpers are already black, and I'm thinking, how do I keep that? So I really want to try and keep the standard width of the car and change the wheels, maybe bring the wheels out a little bit more in level with the arches, but change them so they pop out a little bit. So what is it I'm going to do? Well, I've already had a few conversations and I think I've got it all planned out. Let's look at what I do to this car. In my previous scene, I said I was going to start modding the vehicle, and one of the first things I wanted to put on the G-Wagon is a roof spoiler. So I saw loads of roof spoilers and I wanted a carbon fibre one. I wasn't sure whether to do the body colour or not, but I really wanted a carbon fibre finish, keeping it black, the same colour as the roof, which is obsidian black. Remember, it's got a night pack on my G63. Anyway, I found this US supplier for carbon spoilers. I really like the design of this particular spoiler. It's quite a wide spoiler. Wasn't so sure. You know, there's other brands out there, big brands. You know, the spoilers are getting into the $7,000, $8,000, $9,000, but this was really low cost, and I wasn't sure if it was really going to work. But it arrived, and it was really good quality, perfect fit. Couldn't complain. Anyway, you know, I couldn't wait to get started. So this afternoon I started putting it on. I've done stage one. This particular spoiler, you can see what I've done. I've put some weights on top to actually weigh down the spoiler as it bonds. But this particular spoiler here has 3 more pieces on it. There's 2 side fins that goes here, one on this side and one on this side. But they bond onto the side of the vehicle, so I can't really do that until I've got this bonded. So I've just bonded that up. I've used a black silicone automotive adhesive. The wood you see on top is just there to provide some weight onto the spoiler as it bonds, because I don't want it to prise up. But yeah, self-project, and you know, I'm sure I'm saving thousands of dollars. So part one of actually putting that spoiler on. Next scene, I'm going to show you putting the side fins on. I'm back again. Next scene, I've put the side pieces on. If you remember, I was talking about the second phase, these side pieces, they've gone to the side and the top. It's all ready, done, dusted. One carbon roof spoiler fitted, and it probably took me about 40 minutes in total labor. I think the thing that takes the time is the actual bonding. And between the last scene and this scene, I've had my hair cut as well. So it's literally the next day. Anyway, that's the spoiler done. I hope you enjoyed it. Really, really simple. I hope you can do it yourself. If anybody needs any advice, just let us know. I'll point you in the right direction. Thank you very much.